Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see Xiaomi logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. Just like this. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select the last option, safe mode. And after that, your device will be restarted in a safe mode. So as you can see, letters here saying safe mode, which is the proof that we're in a safe mode right now. So if you want to quit this mode, you just need to restart your device and it will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.